Welcome to Stockopedia. I'm delighted you've taken this step in your investment journey. I'm Ed Croft, I'm the founder and CEO of the service, and it's been my team's passion to build the very, very best investment service on the web. I think we're going to save you hours of research time and help you to become a much more confident decision maker. I'm going to give you a very quick lightning tour of the service, and it shouldn't take more than a few minutes, and let's go straight in. As soon as you register and sign in, you're going to see the Today page. This shows you the featured content from our editorial team and bubbles up some great insights on how to invest better or what's happening in the markets. You'll see the markets below. You'll see the internals, the recent performance, and some of the great statistics that we have on it. Once you've tracked your news and your recent performance on your portfolios, you'll see the upgrades and downgrades section, which give you a very, very quick snapshot of what's moving in our ranking and rating system, which is one of the things we're really, really well known for. But one of the first things you're going to want to do is check your holdings. You can load up the stock report on tens of thousands of global stocks, and you'll get these beautifully designed reports with the essential financial statistics. I will quickly eyeball the StockRanks on the right here, which show you the quality, value, and momentum of that share scored from 0 to 100, where 100 is best. I love this system. These sorts of ranks are correlated with long-term stock returns, and higher rated shares have been shown in lots of research to have a tendency on average to beat the market. I'll also look at the classifications on the left, which give me a quick snapshot of the risk and the style of the share. You can see peer and industry and market comparisons at a glance, as well as scrolling down and looking at some of the absolutely critical financial health indicators. For example, bankruptcy risk, earnings manipulation risk, and more. This is an absolute treasure trove of information on stocks, and I'm sure that you're going to go and check out all your stocks quickly. If you do find that you hold quite a lot of shares which have poorer rankings, it's one of those things you'll be finding the weakest links and wanting possibly to find better opportunities. So how do you do that? Well, we've thought about that, and in Browse, you're going to find many of our rating systems all set up and pre-configured for you. We do that for our ranks and ratings, as well as 65 guru strategies, which have all been actually collated using the rules from some of the most famous investing books of all time. If you click through to one of these, you'll be able to see the recent performance, as well as check out the description and the rules that this has been configured by. And if you like the looks of any of the shares that are on it, you can click the check boxes and add them to your portfolio or a watch list for further viewing. If you don't agree with our rules, you can instantly go duplicate the screen or set up your own stock screen and go much, much deeper into the financial data if that is something that you're very interested in. We have hundreds of financial metrics that allow you to quickly configure really, really easy screens to find shares which may be higher yielding or cheap, or very high quality, or with high momentum, and instantly you can build up lists of potential candidate stocks for further research. Once you've found those improvements, you can go into your portfolio. Will allow you to import your portfolio or configure it manually. And once you have, you get this wonderful view with the valuation today and a recent valuation history, as well as a list of all your holdings and their position valuations. You can use all of our financial data, looking at the stock ranks, in any of these configurable tables, or to view all your holdings as snapshot charts so that you can actually see the recent trend and identify things which may be performing worse. One of my favorite features on the site, apart from the news and discussions on your portfolio, is the allocation tab, which gives me an instant analysis of the diversification of a portfolio and may identify some hidden risks. But if you're still a bit lost, you can always go to the community. The Discuss tab shows you all of the latest content from, for example, some of our contributors, the very excellent contributors we have in the community, experienced investors, as well as our own very experienced editorial team. You can read up, you can vote, you can read all the comments in this engaged community and check out and reply and really learn from everybody else who's more experienced. This is one of the fastest ways to level up your investing. But if you still are feeling a bit uncertain, use the Learn tab. In the Stockopedia Academy, you can find all our guides to all the different sections of the site, as well as learning resources, more videos from me and others, as well as a deep financial ratio glossary and lots of books which can help you on your journey. But if you are stuck, you can always go and ask our team. There's a little green button in the bottom right of the site. If you click it, you can go and start a new conversation and ask questions about anything you like about the service, history of investing, etc. We can't offer investment advice. This is very much a DIY service, but I think you'll find that our team of qualified CFA support analysts are very quick on call and will help you on your journey. That's really it. I really hope that you can go and broaden your investment universe on the site, start finding other shares, and actually really get better returns, because that's really what it's all about. Thanks for listening. That's my lightning tour done.